Transferring money with routing and account numbers is a common practice in the United States. To understand how this works, it is essential to first comprehend what these numbers represent. A routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies the financial institution where an account is held, while an account number is a unique identifier assigned to a specific account. To transfer money using these numbers, you will need to provide the recipient's routing and account numbers to the sender's bank. This information can typically be found on a check or through online banking. The sender's bank will then use this information to initiate the transfer. The process involves several steps. First, the sender must gather the necessary information, including the recipient's routing and account numbers. Next, the sender must initiate the transfer through their bank, either online, by phone, or in person. The bank will then verify the information and process the transfer. It is crucial to ensure that the routing and account numbers are accurate to avoid any errors or delays. Double-checking this information is vital to guarantee a smooth transfer. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits or fees associated with the transaction. In terms of security, it is essential to only share your account and routing numbers with trusted individuals or institutions. This information can be used to withdraw funds from your account, so it is vital to keep it confidential. In conclusion, transferring money with routing and account numbers is a straightforward process that requires accurate information and attention to security. By understanding how this works and following best practices, you can safely and efficiently transfer funds.